In this video, we are going to review topic 5.1, example 2, understand rational exponents. And here we are with our rational exponent, and here's our conversion into radical form. Now remember, properties of exponents, power raised to a power. So if you have any base raised to an exponent and then everything else is raised to another exponent, you multiply your exponents. So let's take a look. So here, if you have x to the 5th squared, this is the same as x raised to the 5 times 2, which is x to the 10th. Now let's take a look. Here we're going to raise our base and exponent to a rational exponent. So here I have x to the 3rd times 1/3. Now, when you multiply fractions, you multiply across the numerator and across the denominator. So here I get x equals 3 times 1 is 3. And now understand, in the denominator of your 3 is a 1. 1 times 3 is 3. So we get x raised to the 3/3 power. Well, any number over itself is 1. So this is just x. So now let's simplify these. So what I want to do is I want to try to write 36 with a base raised to an exponent of 2, so that when I apply my power raised to a power property, I get a 1. So if you think about it, what number squared is 36? Well, that would be 6. So I could write this, 36 is the same as saying 6 squared raised to the 1/2 power. Now, when I apply my power to a power property, I get 6 squared times 1/2, which gets me 6 raised to the 2/2, which 2/2 is just 1, which is just 6. So 36 raised to the 1/2 power is 6. Let's take a look at 27 to the 1/3 power. Is there a way I can write 27 with an exponent of 3, some base raised to an exponent of 3, so that when I apply my power raised to a power property, I get an exponent of 1? Well, if you think about it, 27 is also 3 cubed. So I have 3 cubed raised to the 1/3. And again, that would be 3. I'm just going to jump right into it. 3 times 1 is 3 over 3. 3 over 3 is 1, so I get 3. So 27 raised to the 1/3 power is 3. 16 to the 1/4. Can I write 16, some base raised to the 4th power? Well, 16 is 2 to the 4th raised to the 1/4. Okay, so now when I multiply that, I get 2 over 4/4, which is 1. So 16 raised to the 1/4 power is 2. 27 raised to the 2/3 power. Okay, let's break this one down. This one's a little bit more. I'm going to break this one apart. I'm going to take this as 27 raised to the 1/3 power squared. Now again, notice, if you were to reapply your power to a power property, on this one I went backwards. I broke it up instead of combining it. I get 27 to the 2/3 power, but now 27 to the 1/3 power, I already know what that is. I did that one right here. 27 to the 1 power is 3, to the 1/3 power, excuse me, is 3. So I can simplify this, and now I have 3 squared, and 3 squared is 9. So 27 to the 2/3 power is 9. Some try-its. Let's give it a try. So this is 2. So A, 25 to the 1/2, and then B, 32 to the 2/5. Go ahead and pause this video, give those a try, and then come on back and we'll go through them together. Okay, let's take a look. So 25, can I write 25 base of some number raised to the 2nd power? Well, 25 is also 5 squared. Raised to the 1/2 is 5. Raised to the 2/2, which is 1. So 25 to the 1/2 power is 5. Now on B, this one, let's break this up. I'm going to go 32 raised to the 1/5 squared. 32 to the 1/5, your book loves this one. This one is going to appear in several lessons. 32 to the 1/5, by the time we're done with this, you're going to have this one memorized. We can rewrite that. That's the 5th root of 32. Now, 5th root of 32 is 2. It's 2 to the 5th power. Squared equals 4. And again, if you need a breakdown on this, if you have 32, that's an even number, and I just know because we do this one gets used frequently. That's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. And notice here how you have a set of 5. So this is the same again as 2 to the 5ths. Your index and your exponent cancel each other out, equals 2. And again, the more practice you get with these, the easier they're going to come to you.